Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, I write a letter. This is a sentence. See, there are three words here. I, write and letter. These words came together and formed a complete sentence. But if I write I separately, can this become a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. It is just a word. What if I just write right? Will this be a sentence? No, this will also not be a sentence. This is again a word and not a sentence. So is there any rule regarding the arrangement of words in English? Can we order the words in English in whatever way we want? Well, in English, you cannot order the words the way you like. There are certain rules regarding the order in which you are supposed to write the words. Let's learn about these rules. These rules are collectively called syntax. You need to have a good idea of these rules to make grammatically correct sentences. Now let us try to understand these rules with the help of some of the Indian languages we are familiar with. Look at this sentence in Hindi. मैं आम खाता हूँ. Let us break this sentence. Here the word मैं is the subject of the sentence. Now you may wonder, what is a subject? Well, a subject is the person or thing that performs an action in a sentence. In this sentence, मैं आम खाता हूँ, who performs the action? मैं performs the action. Now let us take a look at the second word in the sentence here, which is आम. Here arm is the object. Now the object of a sentence is the person or thing that receives the action. Here arm or mango is the thing that receives the action of the subject. Now what action is the subject performing on the mango? Well, the subject is eating the mango. Khata hu. So this is called the verb of the sentence. Here you can see a pattern in this sentence. The first thing that appeared in the sentence was the subject. The second was the object. And the third one was the verb. Now, in other words, Hindi follows a subject, object, verb, word order. So, we can call it SOV order. So, are we following the same order in English as well? No. In English, we follow a subject, verb, object, word order. To understand it further, let's have a look at a few sentences in English. Consider this example. John eats a mango. In this sentence, what is the subject? We have already seen that subject is the person or thing that performs an action. Here, who is performing the action? Yes, you are right. John is performing the action. So, he is the subject of the sentence. Now, what action is John performing? John is eating. So, eat is the verb of the sentence. And finally, what is receiving the action that John does? Mango is receiving the action of John. So, mango is the object. See, the sentence follows a subject-verb-object pattern. Now, take a look at these sentences. Mary sees children. Can you find out the subject, object and verb in this sentence? Yes, you are correct. Mary is the one who performs an action in this sentence. So, Mary is the subject. Now, what is the action that Mary performs? Well, Mary sees. So, seeing the action is the action here and we can call see the verb of the sentence. And finally, who is the one who is receiving the action of Mary? Children. So, children are receiving the action of Mary. So, it is the object. Look at these sentences here. Can you find out the subject, object and verb in these sentences? Well, all the subjects in these sentences are marked red and verbs are marked by blue and objects can be found in green color. Did you get all the words correct? Good.